If money ought to give justice, then why would anyone seek justice? Well, a civilization existed from years ago, but they lived a deprived. Talking about them, and we all reached this time. But a time will come for them who see us all. Through abundance to the dawn, or was it the scarcity that is left upon? My greetings to one and all. I am Saurabh Kumar presenting my views on free legal aid as an essential. When mind has desire and fear, each of us give our part to the common cause. Legal and legal aid movement draws some of its strength from Article 39A, read with Article 14 and Article 22, Subclause 1 to provide free legal aid by suitable legislation and scheme and to ensure equality before law and a legal system which promotes justice on a basis of equal opportunity to all. In present scenario, Legal Services Authorities Act is being empowering statutory base to legal aid programs throughout the country on a uniform pattern. Section 22 of the Act states that a member of a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe or a victim of human trafficking or beggar and be it a woman or a child and a mentally ill otherwise disabled persons to a person under circumstances of undeserved want such as being a victim of mass disaster, earthquake, etc., and those who are counted as an industrial workman, further stating for those in custody and juvenile home along with the prescribed income criteria for giving legal services to the eligible persons, to provide legal aid to a person for a case which includes a suit or any proceedings before a court. Here, court is civil, criminal, or revenue court, and it also includes any tribunal or any other authority constituted under any law for the time being in force to exercise judicial or quasi judicial functions. So, if we talk about the legal services specifically, it includes the rendering of any service in the conduct of any case or any legal proceedings before any court or other authority or tribunal, and the giving of advice on any legal matter at a nationwide network. National Legal Services Authority is the apex body constituted to lay down policies and principles for making legal services available as per our objectives of the Act. Same as every state has been constituted with the State Legal Services Authority to give effect to the provisions, policies, and directions of the central authority for providing legal services to the people and conducting lok adalats in the state. Also, at district level and taluk or mandal level to implement legal aid programs. So, if we question the progress of ongoing scheme which has been initiated by NALSA, we are in a state of better implementation with a view to strengthen and streamline legal aid programs in the country. Rather than criticizing everything, we can ensure what was just and what was required. Well, a fair trial, access to justice, right to counsel, and equality before law, and to protect and to promote an inclusive legal system in order to ensure fair and meaningful justice to the marginalized and disadvantaged sector. Also, to legally empower the marginalized and excluded group of the society by providing effective legal representation, legal literacy and awareness, and bridging the gap between the legally available benefits. Further, to strengthen the system of lok adalats and other alternative dispute resolutions mechanism for quick, inexpensive, and effective resolution of disputes. In the spirit of this vision, free legal aid advice, counseling, legal awareness, conducting lok adalats, promoting other ADR methods to preventive and strategic intervention programs for outreaching programs to social justice litigation is already being served today. What is needed is one more spirit to challenges is our real challenge to make this vision a reality. We talk about practicality and are aware of the fact that our legal literacy needs to be magnified. Why not using technology for mass awareness? India is growing in terms of internet, or let's say the technology, at every possible area we know now. If the access gap between service provider and the entitled section exists, why not use our technology to fill this particular gap? If it was with the soul of welfare concept and our social security, we must not ignore the miscarriage of justice by our service delivery models and our mechanism our mechanisms. And if we talk social and cultural rights, that comes with the duty of everyone not to seek but to give something to our society as well. Solely depending on administrative action can never lead to a positive arena of just and fair social goals. To conclude, I would say that why there cannot be a place to see too many justice giver, why justice and legal aid is such a big deal if any other matter is not a big deal, from laws to business to trade to relations, why this awareness is not a job of a state. If we know only state responsible for that, we can come up with the creativity to penetrate this task in every possible arena, making it obligatory to make everyone aware of their rights and laws. Why not offer like why not offers like you get free legal aid with so and so service providers if you buy some product, and you kind of get some kind of coupons to redeem some necessary important or a one time or a two time or a limited time period of a free legal aid. If there can be several funds related to any matters, why not more effective legal aid funding? I guess our lawyers and just judges should come up with the ideas to to strengthen these issues, as we have funds and schemes related to compensating the victims of rape, acid attacks, matters related to women, matters related to children, etc. I mean, justice is about a cause. Free legal aid with more dedication towards our whole machinery has no denying to the new possibilities. What we seek is to build it from base to a free legal space. Thank you.